Let me get this going here. So what is it called? What am I calling it? Oh my gosh, I forgot what I'm calling it. It's kind of loud. The music's kind of loud. There we go. So I was almost gonna not use Restream today, but then I was like, yes, I am. I am gonna use Restream because I'll just use non-copyright music, right? Nate Codes, what's up? So yeah, this is Nate. This is streaming to YouTube and Twitch. Okay, it's very exciting. All right. Hey, DM Molroy, what's going on? Okay, so what was I even doing? What? I forgot the name of my own project. Yeah. Look, the Htmx Twitter account got wrecked. Okay. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. Am I signed into Twitter on Firefox? No. No, I'm not. Dude, it's the free one. Classic Rust dev. Come on. It's the free one. It's the free one. I'm not gonna pay money. Okay, get out of here. Okay, so we go over to Htmx. Alright. We go over to Htmx. I honestly had not seen this. I had not seen this. I think this is supposed to be Primogen. But I can't tell, you know? And I don't know what a Spieltrieb is. Yeah, it's so YouTube and Twitch, right? YouTube and Twitch. Hang on, let's turn the music down a little bit. I beg money. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm just doing YouTube and Twitch. That's it. But yeah, it's cool. Someone yesterday came in from YouTube, and they asked about the inline diagnostics. And I think I told him to not worry about it. But anyway, this is what happened yesterday. I don't want to leak DMs, but Warren Buffering probably DMs everybody. So he DM'd me. He's like, hey, I took over HTMX's account for the day. And I'm like, oh my gosh. I tried live streaming Twitter. No clue how. I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's so hard to find live streams on YouTube. I don't understand how people do it, you know? But yeah. Look, I thought this was funny. So then he just started blocking everybody, right? He just started blocking everybody. What in the world? And then, because I think the goal was to like make fun of OpenAI. But yeah, mission accomplished, I guess, right? Vision accomplished, right? Look at that, only 1,200 posts. That's hilarious. So that happened yesterday. But look, I have a problem with my workout tracker, all right? I got a problem. First of all, it's ugly. But the second problem is, I'm struggling with HTMX's, like, way to do... Wait, do I have this open still? Do I have this? Oh, this music is terrible. But look, I restreamed. The only problem with restream is that I can't do the separate VOD track on OBS. So all the music comes through. Like, so I hope I don't get copy strike from yesterday, because if you go to YouTube, if you watch the VOD, it's the music's there. I did notice the international audience from Twitter is more likely to watch on YouTube. Bandwidth accessibility or cultural thing. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Yeah, maybe it's I think it's a bandwidth probably. Twitch probably doesn't have the right stuff. Oh, I should tweet. I was just on Twitter for a reason and I got distracted. All right. Twitch TV. Oh, I should do the thing. I should do either or, right? No, because you know I don't want to do either or, right? What is this? What's happening? What am I saying? What did I say? It doesn't even show me. I don't like Restream. I might just go back to Twitch, honestly. Streaming on YouTube, I don't know if it's worth it. Well, okay, can we pause this? I'll just do this first one. Right? New CEO of HTM. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, that's perfect. That's a good one. And then maybe I'll do this. I'll do a second one that's like the actual links, right? Which I never do. And then also this YouTube, right? What is the live to YouTube though? What is it? Oh, look at that. 1,000 people on YouTube? Oh, here it is. Okay. Is this music for real? Oh, it is real. Oh, this is horrible. I just don't want to get copy striked, okay? I just don't want to get copy striked. Or. I'll just say like big or. Fat or. Okay. Alright. This is the worst. This is the worst. I hate this. Alright. What am I doing? This is a lot. Let's just go back to chat. There we go. Yeah. No ball for warm, it's propaganda. Yeah, that's another one. Yeah, seriously, can you send me an invoice? Appreciate it. 420 bucks. Yeah, I do feel lucky. That's a deal. Honestly, that's such a good deal. I also don't know if Restream does the right Twitch notification thing. I honestly have no clue. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if Restream is good. I think I might just stream on Twitch. What's up, Attack Penguin? What's going on? Unbelievable. It was a good tweet though. Look, I owe you, Nate Codes, okay? Look, if I come to Irvine or if I come to Tustin in February, I'll pay you the 420. All right, I'll pay you in cold hard cash, okay? Oh my gosh, unused imports. What is this? Some kind of rookie thing? I want to show you where I am though, because I did a little bit yesterday. I did a little bit. Tailwind. But yeah, I am kind of annoyed with Htmx and Rust, to tell you the truth. I am just like a little annoyed. Is this the right edition? I'm not even on the right edition. There we go. Okay, so let's open this. Let's go to, this is hilarious. I gotta fix that. Responsive. There we go. Wait, are you actually visiting? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I wasn't kidding. In Vegas, I was being serious. Nice talks. Yeah, look, Orange County's a big place. All right. Warren, what's up? Warren came in here just to talk about HTMX Twitter account. He just wanted this. He wanted the spotlight. You know, that's what it is. I getting pissed off by Twitter takes, so I'm just not looking at it for a while. Yeah, Twitter, you know, it takes its toll. You know what I'm saying? I got a great tattoo artist in Riverside. If anyone likes American traditional tattoos, yeah, not a tattoo person. You know, I'm watching in silence. Yeah, Riverside? That's funny. Wait, TMO, are you from Riverside? How do you know someone in Riverside? That freaks me out because I'm from there. I'm from Moreno Valley, but yeah. Oh, my dog is losing it. I'm pretty sure a package is getting delivered. Yes, a package is getting delivered. Oh, you grew up in Pennsylvania? Well, how do you know about Riverside? Feed the dog? I already fed the dog. Don't worry. No, it's a girl. It's a girl dog. Black German Shepherd. Oh, you have family in Orange County? Oh, okay. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense that you would know about Riverside because no one knows about the Inland Empire, you know? Ooh. Nate Codes wants to interview you, okay? Oh, Camel Man, exclusive interview. But yeah, look. I talked about Twitter already, but we can weave it in, you know? We can put it in. How do I make this not so, like, bad? How do I make this so I could see less? Does it, can I reduce the size, possibly? Let's see. No, not that. This? There we go. There we go. That's a little better. Oh, you know what I should do, actually? Is just swing this over. to the right, and then we could see it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now I can do this. Okay, so this is like the new lander, right? And I feel like this looks good. I feel like it's actually looking pretty good. I also got icons and like it's orange, you know? So yeah, this, you know, it's not bad. But honestly, this is ugly. This is okay. I don't know why I put this emoji here. I could use emoji icons actually. Oh, this looks better. But yeah, the point is you can look at your old ones. But if you log out, the beautiful thing, which is what bugged me about Htmx and I want to fix right now, is that if I click this, it goes to, wait. It actually goes to the wrong place. Did I not log out? Oh, yeah, this is what's bugging me about Htmx is like I have to do all this extra work first, right? Do I still have cookies? I do, probably. Oh, I don't. But if I click this... Oh, I didn't... But I changed the whole body, though. Right? Let's look at this. Dude, I'm getting bummed out by HTMX. Like, I'm not gonna lie. What is this? HX gig bot? Yeah. Okay, so when I click this... This is so weird. What if I click it? What is this? Is it HTMX or is it just 100% skill issue with me? You know? I'm making a lifting app. I'm making a workout tracker, right? And I totally changed the database schema yesterday. Oh yeah. Yes. DMO Roy, yes. Is it there now? Can we look at it? We're gonna watch it on the stream, okay? I wanna see Melange. Melangi. I want to see it. Oh, it's not going to be good. Nate, it's not going to be good. It's a calculator. Yeah, it's a calculator. But yeah, if you click this plus button and you're logged in, it should allow you to like select one, right? You should be able to make one and then you sort of just do this, but like, look at how broken this is. This is horrible. Yeah, this is a bummer. I really have to fix this.
Peter.
Kensky, what's up?
Everything is a skill issue, either yours or HTMX's.
Yeah, but we don't know who it is, though. Is it me or HTMX? I don't know. First stream message title fixed, as always. Oh, Camel, come on now. Emotionally support Nate while he uses your app in the new year. Nice. Switch back to jQuery. Yo. That's genius. All right. That's genius. 1,000-pound club. I don't. What is that like? What would you do? Like a deadlift? Is that what you're doing? I don't ever do deadlifts because I don't have a bar at home. And I should do it though. But yeah, DM if you DM Allright, if you do this, not this. If you do this, right? We're gonna pin this actually, right? Actually, no, we're gonna pin the other one because I'm super excited about this. Because I am looking for possibly like Rust might be overkill, you know what I mean? But maybe not. Here it is. There, we're gonna pin that, right? Perfect. Oh, here's the VOD. Oh, there's a VOD? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's pin this instead. Because we're actually on Twitch, right? Okay, let's do this. Oh, this music is horrible. Like, this no copyright sounds is terrible. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one's okay. Man, the things I do for restream, you know what I mean? 1,000 is 1 rep deadlift. Oh, okay. Ludwig did it, so I must be able to. It's a relatively long talk. Okay. I'll have to do it after. Right? Because I don't want to skip around and look impatient, you know, on stream. That was a banger, was it? I don't know, man. I don't like it. All right, so this is what I got to fix right now. First of all, I have to fix I have to fix this. Like, I logged out, but somehow this is, it should take me to sign up. But it just takes me to, what did I do? It takes me to for you. I don't understand that. All right, let me go. Let me see what sign up is doing. Let's go to the route, right? Let's go down here. Let's go to sign up. Oh, what was it? Oh, it was a post. It was a post. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh.
Hello, Peter.
Okay, we're gonna
What's
debug
happening?
this. Leninic, welcome. Skrillex style, the best era. Okay, dubstep will never die. All right, this channel will turn into a 100% dubstep channel. Okay, so the problem is post, right? That's it. That's the whole problem. Look at this, HX post. It's so simple. So what I want to do is take you to. Actually, no. This is probably fine. This should just log you right in, right? But it should not take you to For You. It should take you to, that's what it is. Okay, let's do sign up. So this is what I have a convention, right? So I go to my routes. I go to post sign up. I go to get sign up. And I go to post sign up, right? So everything that's a get is like named the same thing, right? And then there's like obviously this thing. If I went over this yesterday, but if I somehow break this, right, it cannot find value sign up. It's like looking for the camel case, camel case version of this, and so that's happening, right? So if I fix this, right, then it'll go away. So if I go down to sign up action, right? So now I'm going to post sign up action. Okay, so let's see what it does. It creates a user. It's looking good. We clone this bad boy. We make a session, right? We're making a session, and then we make your first set. Do I want to make a set though? I don't want to make a set anymore. You know, I don't want to make a set. Pedro, why are you crying? What's happening? Is that just because the dubstep is just so beautiful? You know. So this I don't want to make a set. I actually want to change this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a user, right? And I have to go over this. Real quick. Do you notice this? Insert is the same function as this insert. Okay, this is sweet. When I make my Rails for Rust framework, this is gonna be it right here. Basically, what I've done, I have a generic, yes, but the generic is only the return type, right? Zero test coverage at job, too much work. Oof, yeah, that's a bummer. It's only if we could have some AI that could make tests for us. Could you imagine? Let me see. So let's see. We have a generic, but that's the return type. This is where the beautiful things happen. Okay, we've got a trait into record. Okay, so that's why I can take user and I can take session, right? So like this is it. It's just a sturdy struct. That's it, right? And same thing with user, the same exact thing. So what happens, right? I have a record enum, and it represents all the stuff, all the tables in the database, right? Or all the rows, I guess, of the tables in the database. And so from there, I just have I have froms, and that's it. I just wrap the various deserialized ones in the record, and that's it. It's just this, right? This is like Copilot code right here, all right? This is, you type one character and Copilot comes in, it just does the whole thing. You want to nudge it, you want to nudge the computer in the right direction. So then what happens? I basically destructure the database struct itself, and then I just match on record into, right? I just match on the different types of record, and that's it. I just get it out. I get the I get it out. I get all this stuff out, and then I do the actual insert. And the reason I can't use insert the same way is because I need a different generic, right? So these lines are all the same, and I might actually do a generic for table and then I could like not do all this nonsense. Yeah, I might actually change this. Now that I'm looking at this, I'm not actually. I don't know if I like this. I think I went overboard on this. I think I made a Rube Goldberg type machine here. When you explain again what a maybe user is. What is a maybe? I don't even have maybe user anymore. I got rid of maybe user. Okay, we're done with maybe user. Okay. So this was so from request parts. What I've streamlined this. Okay, I've streamlined it. So this is so the vibe now, right? Has one field that has an option user, right? And that acts as the maybe user. So when I go to from request parts for vibe, I come down here. This I just match on the user from request parts, right? And so like this just comes from the cookie. And then I check the database for the session ID. Yeah, and that's it. So yeah, that's the thing. But I also have to. I set the session as like a year. It's so good. Wait, how are you gonna be so extra use Rust but then use an ORM? Warren, are you still here? I'm glad that you asked. Right? Struct for hold is a structure. Vector. Oh my gosh, get out of here. Warren, are you ready for this? You thought you think I'm using an ORM, right? Dude, the CEO of Htmx does not use ORM. If they do use an ORM, it's an ORM that they made. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. What do you think? What do you think this is? Let's go back to insert. What is this? db.insert values, right? What is this? Oh, this is my own code. Okay, I wrote all this code. All right, what's it called? Riz. Okay, it's called Riz, Warren. All right, dude, you thought for a second that I was using code that I didn't write? Unbelievable. Yeah, so that's it. And it also it's a query builder. It's not really like an ORM, you know. It basically does SERDY stuff between SQLite, and then it does the other stuff. Trash Puppy, what's up? Warren, no one else is gonna use it except for me. Riz, that's all the justification. That's true. That is true. Oh, you're the new CEO? Trash Puppy, you're not the CEO. You can't be the CEO because I'm the CEO. Okay, we can't both be CEO. That's not how this works. All right. Okay. Look. You know what? Actually, you can be the CEO. I'm joining the board. Okay, I'm joining the board. All right. We're gonna get the board to vote you out of here. Raw dog. I need to keep my job some way. I mean, I am practically though. Like, the query builder is practically SQL. Yeah, that's right, Trash Puppy. That's Galaxy Brain. We just Galaxy Brain Trash Puppy. Yeah, Warren, no one's gonna use this not ORM. Okay, it's just for me. Okay, it's just for me. Has Riz. That's all I need. I am the employee. Look, Addy Super's gonna join. When the board gets together and votes out the CEO, the employees are gonna, instead of OpenAI, they're gonna side with the board. Okay, we don't want this Trash Puppy CEO in here. Pickle Fleek, you can't be the cat. You can't just make up roles in the corporation. Okay, you can't just be the captain. This is crazy. You'll end up joining the React team. That's true. All right. So anyway, look at this. All right. What did I do? I broke something. That's what I did. How did I do this? Oh, because I'm not doing the set. There's no set. That's fine. But I also I should render, when you sign up, I should render new set. What did I call it? I don't even know what I called it. I'm using so many weird words like vibe and Riz. I don't even know what I'm calling stuff. Oh, it's called add set. Add set. That's what it is. Oh, it takes a name, which is going to be push-ups, I guess, right? It takes a user, which is user. Oh, it takes an option user. Does it really? Oh, it does. It takes a reps, which is 0. Oh, this should be ad set. Yeah, no, that's actually right. Okay. All right. So now let's try it again. Right. Let's try it again. Literally every role is made up. That is true. I'm the president. Okay. Actually, that one's not. That one's real. Okay, so am I logged in? No. So all these little buttons down here take you to sign up if you haven't signed up, right? Okay, so this is cool. So if I click this, dude, what the frick? What the heck? That's obnoxious. I mean, I definitely am logged in, but I should not be. I should not be taken there. Ugh. I'm gonna lose it. Do I not even use this? Oh, I don't even use this JSON anymore. What is that though? What is it? Sign up. Oh, it's this. Oh, I also changed my structs to functions that just have Pascal case. So good. Sign up button. Login. Sign up button. Post route sign up. Yeah, that's right. Where is this used? Here? Why is there a 0? What am I doing? Oh, I see. Oh, I'm passing reps. I don't even know why, though. Honestly, at this point, I don't even know why. I've changed this so many times. What is this? Index sign up button, right? And I go. Okay, so let's follow this chain. Sign up button. It takes you to sign up, right? Which is really just this. And then it renders. Wait. It takes you to post sign up, which is. Yeah, that's fine. And then it takes you to sign up action. And then it makes the user session. Oh, that's why I set this HX location. That's obnoxious. I don't like this. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I want it to just be like a redirect. But like with Htmx, I can't just do a redirect, right? It could be a skill issue. Okay? It could be a skill issue. Standard Robot, what's up? You have many comments, so you remember what your code did? The code is the comments, okay? Comments lie. Alright? The code is truth. Alright? Route sign up. Well, let's do route ad set instead, right? There. That'll work. Let's do it. Sweet. Okay. Wrong stream. Yeah. Look, you clicked the wrong button. You got to get out of here quick. Let me see. Unbelievable. Is that not the thing, though? Is that not the thing? I don't know if I want to click this. Good riddance. Yeah. You definitely have to, yeah. This is not where you want to be, you know? Oh, I will say, though, since I'm streaming on YouTube and Twitch, if an ad pops up on Twitch, which it has not for some reason, I don't know why, then go over to YouTube, and then you can watch for a minute or two, then come back. That's how you do it. Hopefully no one from Twitch is watching this, but I don't really care. You know, Twitch, you're not my boss. Okay, Twitch? You're not the boss of me. What? All right, so let's look at this one more time. Like, I'm getting so frustrated. Like, I have to do this twice, basically, right? And it didn't even render the right thing. Okay, let's do this. I'm logged out. It's looking good. I click the button. It doesn't like, is that not the URL? Why does it do a 400? Missing field name? Dude. Oh, it is missing. Oh, it's a query string. Dude, unbelievable. Oh, that's what I was gonna fix. This is what I was gonna fix today. I had to do this. I had to do this horrible, horrible thing. Do I have to do this? 20? No. I had to do like format something, right? What did I? This right here. Ugh. I had to do ad set like. Oh yeah, that's what I couldn't do. Yes, I want to show you this actually. This bugs me about HTMX, and this is what it is. Okay, look at this. I go to the docs, right? I have to do a pull request because I go to the docs. I go to whatever. Ajax, I guess. I go to Ajax get. Look at this. So by default, Ajax get does not include any parameters. You can use the Ajax params attribute to change this, right? So the Ajax params attribute allows you to filter the parameters that will be submitted, right? So star, right? So this is the default, which is fine, I guess. So this div will include all the parameters that a post would, but they will be URL encoded and included in the URL. So let's try that. All right, let's try it. So I need 1 reps, right? If I go to ad set, I got to ad set query, right? Oh, I need name. Okay, so let's go down here. And so this should be, oh, this is a bummer. You know, this is a limitation of my enum router because I only do URL params and I do path params, not query params. How am I even gonna model that though? How do I even model that? Like, what do I do? I mean, I was thinking about this. This might be like a path param, right? Like a tuple or something, right? Like I would just do this, or I would just do n params, right? I would just do more, right? I would just keep going, like hello or whatever, right? So like this maps, right? But then I was thinking like, no, maybe instead I should do something like this, where I could do enum things like that. I could do name string, and like this would be like name, right? But I can't even do that. So this would just have to be query, right? Like it would have to be like query or something. Oh, that's not bad. Can I even do that? I don't even know if I can do that. I don't know if that's valid Rust. I have no idea. Too much work. Trash man in here getting ready for the coup. Oh my gosh, unbelievable.
What's happening?
Ailer 51. I don't know how to say that, but welcome. I appreciate it. No one's cooing. Okay? No one's cooing anybody. All right? We're the board. We're the board now. Okay? My chat is the board. All right? And we're going to kick you out of CEO. Okay? We're done. Submit to Rome. Submit to Rome. What's up? That's a great name. Like, submit to Rome? That's a great name. It's unfortunate, though, that the Rome project, Rome.js, right? It's unfortunate. Because they had, like, a really cool website. And it was, like, a really cool logo. Oh, yeah. Doesn't even resolve anymore. It's kind of sad. But yeah, it is sad that Rome.tools is now archived, right? It was a Rust-based... Oh, biome. Oh, there was the logo right here. Look at this. Little archway. They really thought about this, you know? All roads lead to Rome. It makes perfect sense. But then they call it biome, right? Which doesn't have the same ring to it. You know what I mean? Submit to Rome. TJ is CEO of Htmx. It's unfortunate the Romans fell. I mean, that's not unfortunate, but I mean, I'm saying the name is unfortunate. Okay, so let me think about this. Cannot find query in the scope. Yeah, shut your mouth. Yeah, maybe I just have to say it's query or not, right? Or maybe I just do some conventions where enum struct fields are enum variants with struct fields are query parameters. That's it. Let's do it. And then these ones. So if I had this, right? Let's do it let's go back to the macro. We got to go back to the macro, you know? So this would be path params and this would be query params. Look, no one's going to use this except for me, so I can do whatever I want. All right. I could do what I want when I want. Okay. So let me see. So we come down here. All right. So we've got all this We come down here some more to the macro. Here we go. Here's the part. This is how. Okay, so if you've never looked at the syn crate before, SYN, this is how it breaks down. This is how it shakes down. All right. You come in here and you do a proc macro derive, right, on your single file supremacy. It's a separate crate, but you have to. Look, hey Keter, Rust forces me. Okay, this code is even worse than mine, dude. All code is bad. Okay, all code is bad. We just had to embrace it, you know. But yeah, look, hey Keter, they forced me. Okay, they forced me to do it. Like, look, this is Riz, right? And so I have to make a separate project for proc macros. Okay. So anyway, you come in here, proc macro derive, right? It takes a token stream, which is Rust text, right? It's like tokens from Rust, right? Like the syntax. And then it outputs Rust syntax. So you're going to transform this. Luckily, Syn, if you compile it with the full feature flag, gives you parse macro input, right? And then you just sort of cast what you want it to be. And so in this case, it's a derive, right? So derive input, right? You see here, derive, and then you name it something, right? And so I've named it routes. So anyway, and then I like to do this as a pattern. Basically, I assign an input from the parsed input and becomes Syn's derive input struct, right? And then I just like match on any errors and like do the compile error thing. So then I come in here, routes map. This actually does the work, right? And so don't worry about token stream 2 versus token stream. It's confusing. I still don't understand it. It doesn't matter. Basically, Syn tries to use this proc macro 2, token stream 2 stuff. I don't know. Anyway, so you input the derive input. Now we're in struct land, right? And so what do we have here? We have attributes, right? Which are these, right? These are attributes. And then we also have the visibility, so pub or not. Idents, which is the name. It even has little nice comments here, right? Even has nice comments. So yeah. And then what you do is, this is the name of the enum, right? And so what I'm doing is I take the name of the enum and I make sure that it is, in fact, an enum and not a struct, right? Because this derive proc macro only works on enums, not structs, right? Oh, it's only 11:16? Dude. All right, so we have variants, right? So I'm gonna get the variants out of the enum, right? And what are the variants? They're these things: index, login action, logout. And then so we loop over the variants, right? And we do stuff. Okay, what do? We get the ident from the variant, right? So we get any fields from the variant. So this variant has no fields. This variant now has fields, right? You know. This variant has fields, right? The field is ID with a type or a tie of EU32. We'll get there in a second. But then I come in here and I loop through the attributes, right? And I get the last one. I get the last segment of a last attribute, right? So here, last, and I get the last segment, right? So the attribute is this, right? It's post, it's get, it could be delete, it could be whatever you want, right? So then, I have my own struct that represents the path, which is a Rust literal string. Oh, Lucas, Kozak. Welcome. Oh, redeemed caffeinate. Lucas Kozak. Welcome from YouTube. Yes, I am on YouTube right now. It's so true. Yeah, it is nice to see me on YouTube. Look, Twitch. You know, Twitch is good, but YouTube, YouTube, like, they have something, they have something special. So I don't want to, I just want to be on, Twitch and YouTube, That's what you got to do. It's what I have to do. Where was I? Anyway, yeah. So this is a literal string. Oh, I got to do the caffeinate. Sorry, Pickle Flake. Okay. So, yeah. So you come in here, you have an ident on the method, right? So you have a path and a method, right? Also, why am I coding on stream? Because I'm extremely burnt out from AI. And so Yeah, that's just how it is. All right. And how do I recover from burnout? I just work on weird tech bro workout tracker projects. Yeah. All right. So anyway, so you got the method, right? Which is this, right? And then you have the literal string, which is the path. Sorry, I had it backwards. So this is the literal string, and this is the ident, right? That's what Sin calls tokens in Rust that are not quoted, right? So these are literal strings, and then like an actual string would be like let s equals like string from, right? Or like, you know, you would say this is a string and it has the blah, 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 dot into, right? And then that's like an actual string. Or like a string with like memory and like length data, right? All right. So anyway, we go back to adder, right? Where was I? We gotta go back. We have to return. Oh, here we go. So anyway, I basically get the method from the path segments, which is like a path in Sin is, how can I explain this? They probably have a good. It's like what is a path in Sin? What is a path? It's like it's this. It's this. I know how to do it. This is a path right here. Mod, right, and then 2 colons, and then stuff, right? So the segments of the path are XYZ, ABC, right? So this path has 2 segments, right? 2 segments, right? And so what you do is you just traverse the path, and in this case, I'm assuming, right, as I'm like sort of making this up as I go, I'm like assuming that you'll only ever have get, right, and post. You'll never do like hello post or something, right? So this is still Rust syntax, but you kind of have to bend it to your will, you know, if you want to make like a nice API. So anyway, you come down here, get the last segment, and then I just get the literal string, right? Good to go. Now we have all of those. We have a tuple of the variant name, which would be index, right? Or login or sign up. Then we have any fields, right, within that variant, and then we have the attributes, right? I mean, you can learn this from Gypt, but I just figured I'd walk through it. All right, so now that we're in the fields, so there's 3 types of fields, right? This is a enum, and so this is what I was talking about, Sin, right? And so like this is a path, right? So you have 3 types of fields in the Sin crate, right? Named, right? And that's what I was talking about. This is named, right? ID 1 2 string or whatever. This is unnamed, right? This is a string. It's whatever. Hello, right? Whatever it is, right? These are unnamed, right? And these are named. And so you come down here, and so when I match on named, right? I'm basically gonna I'm trying to build a URL, right, from these things. So if it's named, I need to change this now. Unnamed, I will leave this the same, but named, I will not, right? So named, I will do, I will still do this. And actually, I won't even do this, because what I'm gonna do is this. If I come down here, because I need to support this, right? And I think this was my own problem. So this will be a query param, basically. And so it's gonna wind up like this, name equals whatever, right? That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, right? I mean, yeah, that's good. It'll wind up like that. So, but yeah, you can't really see it, which is kind of a bummer, because like it's pretty obvious that like string maps to name here. Actually, you know what? Maybe I will just do this, right? Maybe I'll force you to do this. But of course, it'd be nice if it was name. I could transform the literal. Not actually sure. I could transform the literal. I could do it. We could do it. Yeah, we could do it. Or I could just do this, you know? I don't know. I think it's fine. Like, I think it's obvious. Maybe it's obvious. Yeah, it's obvious to me. Okay, so let's do, let's take the named fields. Let's split. We don't have to split anymore. We're not splitting. There's no splitting. We're basically just going to do, yeah, so what I did before is I just looked for colons and replaced with a thing. But honestly, what we're going to do instead is we're going to get the field idents, right? And we're going to append them to the end. So we're not even going to do this anymore, right? What we're going to do is, actually we are going to format, but the format string is going to be different. We're going to do that. We're going to do idents first and then format next. And we're not going to split. We're just going to take the path.value and we're going to append, right? We're going to append format this and then question mark, right? Because it's a query param, right? And then we'll do this. We'll have to do, I have to build up this format string. Oh, I can build it up this way. We can just loop over idents, right? So we'll do this. We'll say prefix, let prefix is this, right? And we can do this, and then we could say idents iter map ident format. This music is terrible. I'm sorry. This music is horrible. Tighter Sky, what's up? What is that? What is that? What is that? What's going on with this? Pixel Bob? Is that me right now? All right. Yeah, I've only had one tea today. I'm low energy today. It's sad. Let me see. So this. Oh, also, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow because tomorrow's a special day for me. You know, personally, tomorrow's it's just a special day. You know, that's what it is. Okay. No, it's my anniversary, so I gotta be a good husband. You know what I'm saying? Low T vibes. Sad. It's your birthday? No, it's not my birthday. My birthday's in June. I'm a summer child. I'm a sweet summer child, you know? Yeah, anniversary. That is correct. Wedding anniversary. So yeah, it's a big deal, you know? Gotta do some gifts. Maybe. I don't know. Probably not gifts. But we gotta do some dinner stuff, you know? And 19's like, what? How you gonna be a good husband with low T? I don't even know what low T is. But somehow I'll manage, Warren. Somehow I'll manage. Happy birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday tomorrow. So, yeah. Let me see. Format. What am I going to do to build this string? I basically need to do this, I think. I need to build a string, but the idents are going to be, I know what it is. Format, I know what I'm going to do. Format ident, we just do this, and then we could say equals, and then literally this. Like, it's literally going to be this. And then we'll just do this. Collect, vec, boop, and then we go like this. And we come over here, and we say query string, right? Or we can just call it query, right? We know it's a string. And then we're not going to collect. We're going to actually join, right? Unknown character escape. What in the world? How do I do this? Do I do R maybe? No. How do I put a, do I have to do 2? No. What is this? Unknown character escape. Oh, I have to do 2 maybe, right? Do I do 2? No, that doesn't even make any sense. What if I just do this? But then it's going to complain. What if I do this? Do I have to do a special R? Oh, that did it though, right? I think that did it. I hope this is fine. Join with ampersand. Okay, so now we've got the query string, right? And then we're gonna format, and we're gonna send the. We're gonna call this format. That's retarded. That's dumb. I can't say retarded. Format, right? It's good. Wait, what? What's happening? Oh, low T is low. Oh, testosterone? What in the world? Big ol' leak? Oh, no, I saw it. Okay, I saw it. All right, dude. There's no low testosterone here. All right, we're high testosterone. Let me see. Format query. Okay, so then this will just be, instead of idents, it's going to be query, right? This. There we go. Okay, so this should work theoretically, right? I also, so there should be, you know what I could do actually? Is I could probably, no, this is right. So I take the path from the thing, I append a question mark. I come down here, loop through the idents, make a format string that's like a total hack, right? I make a format string that has escaped curlies. And then the ident is the name. So that gets inputted. And then I have curlies. And then when I do the final format at runtime, I loop through the idents themselves. And then I put them in the query string, right? Because at runtime, I have to use the value of the idents. Oh, this is the same. I'm actually building the same string here. This is actually wrong. I need to keep the idents here. Oh, whoa. All right, let me see. Yeah, that was what it was. That was trouble. All right, that was trouble. So this, we can just do this. Let format equals format. And then we could just say this, right? We can say format query, right? There. So now I have the right string. Okay, so now it's looking, I can just do this. We can make this easier. Ident. Path.value. There we go. We don't need this. Okay, so this is actually going to work, right? So this is the original URL you passed into the attribute of the enum. And then this is the query format string from the named parameters. Okay, from the named fields. All right. Yes, that's good. All right, cool. Let's try it. Does it compile? It doesn't compile. It does not compile. That's not good. Unless I just do this specifically, right? Wait. That actually works, but it's like totally broken still, right? Do I want to do this? This looks like dirty. I don't like that. Argument never used, right? Let's try to actually change this, right? Variant, not a value, missing struct fields. Okay, so let's do this. Add set. Let's do pushups.into, right? And then now yeah, this is better, right? Okay, so I'm still in sign up, I think, right? This music, I can't do it. All right, let me see. So this is looking good too. So we'll do name is oh, this bugs me. Okay, let's just do nothing. Oh, this sucks. Let's just do nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is another thing that I did. I made this Htmx get on this form. And it's this music though. This music. Coldfloat, you're not late. Don't worry. We're gonna stream for a whole other hour, okay? Everyone better jump because it's gonna be a whole hour of this. Oh, YouTube. If you want raw string, I think you should use a format string. Oh yeah, but I want a thank you, Damus from YouTube. But I want you know, maybe I should do this so we can see, right? Let's go over to the YouTube chat and then we'll go to the stream over here. And then we'll pause this. And then instead of top, we'll just do live. And then can we just scroll? How do I get rid of this? Mini? Yeah. No. That's, jeez. Hold on. How do I get, okay, here we go. How do I expand this? Oh, pop out chat. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Look at this. There. Now we can see, right? Being late to the party is cool. It is cool. Pickle Fleek, we do have Riz. It's true. Okay? High testosterone, high Riz. Okay? No, there's stand-up. Oh, shoot. Am I missing it? No, I don't think so. No, there's stand-up today. No, it's not stand-up. It's our, like, thing. Hang on, let me check. Let me check real quick. You're freaking me out a little bit. Let me see. Let me just make sure. Oh, I wasn't even logged into Chrome. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it should be in like an hour. Okay, yeah, it's in an hour. Got me on that one. Oh my gosh, I thought I was done for on that. Okay. Kalkus, what's up? Okay, yeah. Damus, I do. Yes, it is nice. Did I watch Vegas? What in the world? I did not watch Vegas. I don't know what that means. So I do want this, but I also want a format string too, right? So if I did a raw string here, right? I'd have to. I can't escape this anymore, right? I don't think anyway. But yeah, I think this might work anyway, right? Because I want both. And I feel like this is more obvious possibly, right? Because this is the escaped version. I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't actually know. Let's see if it works. But yeah, this is a bummer though, because here I have hxget, right? And I'm trying to push the URL, and I'm also trying to like do this search thing, right? And so it's gonna do hxget on the wrong URL. We'll just see what it looks like. We'll see what it looks like. This is similar actually. Yeah. Oh no, this is fine. This one's good. This one's right. Everything is correct and right in the world, okay? Argument never used. Your mom is never used. Let me see. This. Oh my gosh. So if we look at this code, this is the name of the enum. It's the variant. It's the name of the field in a loop, right? So it's this is what I'm doing. I'm basically building this match statement, right? So if I come in here and I do match, like let's just do hello or whatever, like test, right? And I came down here and I went let r equals route, right? Add set, and I did this, and then I come in here and I go match r, right? So then I just do this to do. Let me come in here, but delete these. We delete all these, right? Delete that. Delete this. Okay. So now this is what I'm building, right? I'm building this. So enum name corresponds to this. Hashtag. Hashtag enum name. Even though it's a pound sign, but you know, whatever. Delete everything. King 440 can't just come in here and say that. What good LSP for JS? Recursive chat? Probably TypeScript language server. And then it works for JavaScript too. And then I have hashtag ident, okay? Recursive chat, welcome in, first time chatter. King 440 is just... Wait. I updated my Slack yesterday. Touching the... What? I updated my Slack yesterday and my mic stopped working. It was so embarrassing. Rust in a nutshell. NSFW code. Screwed up. This is not safe for work. Let me see. So this looks right. This is name, right? And so here's name, right? And then I have this thing. And then this is the tricky part that I was trying to do, right? So here I was trying to build this format string, and it should be this, right? It should be this, which is the path itself, right? So in this case, it was like add set or something, and then it was gonna be name equals, and it should be this, and then it should be this, right? It should be that, right? Let X or something. I don't know what is this. So yeah, it should be this. Right? I'm trying to build this. And so that's why I did this, right? I have this format here. And then I did the literal path, but this is at compile time. All this stuff outside of quote, this is all happening at compile time, right? And then this inside of quote here, inside of this quote, this is happening at runtime. right? This line is a runtime thing. I'm generating this code. So let me see, format. So this looks right, but then it says that name is not used, right? So I don't know why that is happening. Arguments never used. I don't know why it's saying that, right? It is used. You're used. Okay, what if I just did this and I didn't do this, right? What if I didn't generate that string and I didn't generate the query? I just assumed it was there, right? What if I did that? And what if I took this and I did format is literally just the path.value, right? Format is path.value, and let's do format and then idents, right? Okay, so that is working. So my string that I was building at compile time was wrong, right? Oh, it doesn't like the fact that this is a moved borrow of a moved value. Unbelievable. Value borrowed here after a move. I'm gonna borrow your face, Rust, okay? I'm gonna borrow your face. You don't even understand, all right? You don't understand what's happening. Look at this. Can't even borrow because it's expecting a string. It's expecting a string because I said it's a string. This is a classic Rust dilemma, okay? Watch streak. Hey, Kolgas. You know PHP is designed for web development? Do not care, all right? PHP.
Rust is so obsessed with memory safety that it forces you to write code that looks like a ransom note. You have to use symbols like and to borrow, dereference, and unwrap values, or else the compiler will yell at you. Rust is like a strict teacher that gives you homework every night and never lets you have fun.
I am having fun, all right? But anyway, look, this is what you normally do, okay? This is the rookie's mistake about Rust, okay? You would say, oh, let me do this because it's saying do this. But now, look at all of this, okay? Look at this. This is horrible, all right? The trait found is not satisfied. Not only do we have a missing lifetime specifier, right? Expected lifetime parameter, but we also we're going to try to deserialize a anonymous lifetime with Surdy. This is not the way, okay? You know what we do when we approach a problem that looks like this, right? Because I'm using name here and I'm trying to use it here, right? Well, we just do this. We just do this, okay? That's all you do, .clone. And now you're just at the level of every other language, okay? You're at the level of every other language. It's fine, okay? It's fine. TGS didn't work. No, it did. What? Get out of here, King 440. Dude, I saw it working in OBS. I watched it. All right, I watched it. All right, so this is working now, right? Clone will be enough. Yes, Damus, exactly. Demise, exactly, from YouTube. Okay, I'm just excited. Okay, I'm excited about YouTube. All right, I'm super excited. Yeah. Okay, so let's look. It's totally broken. Method not allowed. There you go. Add set name push-ups. Method not allowed. Trash puppy. It is a skill issue. Okay, it is a skill issue. There's your problem. Add set method not allowed. Allow your method. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's definitely allowed. Like this method, this method is definitely allowed. Like that is a real thing. This is a real thing. Request. What in the world? So this was the URL. Add set name equals pushups, right? It did not like this. It didn't like this. Which is weird. Oh, wait. Allow post. What in the world?
Rust is so complex and verbose that you need to write a lot of code to do simple tasks. Rust is like a bureaucracy that requires you to fill out forms, get approvals, and follow rules for everything. Rust is like a lawyer that charges you by the hour, but never solves your problem.
Look, this is the truth, all right? You do have to write code, but the difference is that you pay, so you'll pay the complexity cost later, but Rust just gives it to you straight, all right? It gives it to you up front. Don't lie to me, Rust, okay? Just give me the thing and give it to me raw, okay? That's how it is. Little Primogen in there. That's literally like, okay. So let's say I'm using Rails, right? Testing this is way easy through a proxy. I don't understand what that means. Straight up raw DirectX. So true. So let's say I'm writing Rails, right? And I go to deploy it. Whoops, I need a pass. Oh, I need Docker. Oh, I need Kamal, right? Oh, I mean, honestly, like, you'll be wrecked if you go to AWS, just raw dogging AWS, okay? And just out there, just trying to deploy your Rails app. It is so complex. You need all this runtime stuff. You know what happens in Rust? You compile to a single, beautiful, large binary. All right, you get that binary? What do you need? All you need is libc. Okay, that's all you need. That's all you need. Okay, libc is all you need. I have the URL encode. No, it's just not showing it as URL encoded, right? It should. No, the problem is that I don't know what I did. Like, I must have done something different here. I think because I have get, right? I must have ruined something. I don't know what I did. I honestly don't know what I did. I must have changed something because the method is here, right? And then if I go down to somewhere, here it is. If I go here, Axum route, and I look at route path method, FN name, it should, it should work. You know what I mean? Like, it should be okay. I would like to see though. Can we compile and see? We can compile. We can do it. Debug. Axum route. We can like look at the routes, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me say. So we'll compile. We'll do this. And so when I compile, I should see this stuff, right? Here it is. Here it is. Oh my gosh. It's the. Okay. Here it is. Add set. Delimiter parens token stream. Add set. Wait. Post. Oh no, that's fine. Yeah, there should be another one up here. Okay, ident add set. Get. Add set. Oh, yeah. Axum doesn't like this. The router doesn't like this. Set up something like burp. What am I building? Dark Nikma, first time chatter, welcome. I'm building a workout tracker. Yes, Kolkus had it. He got it. Kolkus got it. Axum, yes. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot of stuff. 609. It is 609. Set up something like burp to test your website through it. Helps you find the bugs 20 times faster. I don't know what burp is. What is burp? Burp web app tester thing? Pen testing? What in the world is this? No, I'm not gonna do that. That's crazy. That's craziness. There are no security holes, okay? That's the thing. All right, Rust and Axum, no problem. You cannot DDoS, okay? Because it's so fast. You think you can DDoS this? Rookie. All right? Pen testing? What kind of madness is this pen testing? Trash Movie? Yeah, bring it, Trash Movie. You can also use it for development. Nah. It goes faster than Rust. Dude, King 440 in here. Look, King 440, just for you. I will legitly go on and I will write go on stream with Temple just to okay, Mr. 2 milliseconds, just to silence the haters. You know what I'm saying? Like all these Go people out here, oh, Go's so simple and easy. Like you should just use Go. If error does not equal nil. If error does not equal nil. If error does not equal nil. I'll go on here and I'll write if error does not equal nil. Let me throw my pen at it. Crayon time. That's pretty good. That's honestly pretty good. All right, so the problem is that Axum does not like this. It does not like this. So I have to build this at runtime, right? Just like I was suspecting, okay? It was suspicious of me. It was very suspicious. Let's go back up here. Let's go back to what I changed. So we go to query, right? This is what we're going to do. We're going to actually debug this too. We're going to debug this bad boy. And we're going to get rid of that other debug though. There. And we're going to debug this. And we're going to go... Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're not even in the web anymore. We're leaving the web, okay? We're leaving the web. We're going to my enum router, all right? We're opening this up. We're having a test, okay? We're going to have ourselves a test, all right? We come down here. We're going to test. We're going to just add on to this test because why not? Then we're going to go in here. We're going to say get. I'm going to say to whatever, right? XYZ, ABC, whatever it's called. XYZ is a string, or U8, or whatever, doesn't even matter. So this is gonna be ABC, right? And so now we're gonna test this, right? No proc macros present for crate. Unbelievable. And then we're gonna come down here, assert equals, and we're gonna do status code. Oh, not, okay. Make request, and it's gonna be to the app, and it's gonna be get, and it's gonna be, what do I call it, XYZ? Yeah, that's what ABC. I called it ABC. All right, let's go back, ABC. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, semicolon, okay, fine. All right, so I'm gonna come in here, and we'll come over here, zoom in really big, cargo test. That's what we're going to do, okay? This is a box. Oh, my gosh. Do you see any boxes in here, though? There's no boxes in here. Hello. Debug. We'll debug this, too. Format. And then we'll do this. We'll come in here. Format should be this, actually, right? Okay, format idents. Good. All right, let's see. Let's see what it's generating. You know? Cannot be formatted? Whatever. Your mom can't be formatted. Not found in this scope. Argument never used. Formatting specifier missing. I might have to... did it actually... Where's my debug on the compile, though? Oh, it actually stopped... Oh, here it is. Query XYZ. Format ABC XYZ. It actually generated the right thing. It actually did the right thing. I'm actually kind of surprised by this. But the problem, I think, is that this argument never used. Why is that an error? Why is that an error, though? What did it... Let's look at the final thing, right? Let's just do this. Let x equals this, and we'll return x. But we'll also debug it, too. We just want to see. We just want to see what's going on. You know, what kind of tokens are we generating? You know, these are the tokens. Oh my gosh, let's just do the string. To string. I just want to see the code. Let's look. Okay, so here's query, format, x.toString is route. Okay, this is looking good. XYZ, comma, trailing commas, format. Oh, what is this? Oh no. Why are there escapes on the string? Oh, unbelievable. I'm not sure what I did. Why did I do that? Is that fine? I don't think that's fine. This needs to be a string literal. This needs to be a string literal. Well, there's your problem. Oh wait, maybe it's just escaped for the debug string. What if I just did this, right? What if I just actually did a string literal, right? ABC, XYZ, boom, right? Okay, it still doesn't like this. Oh, it's still the same. Okay, maybe that's not it. Okay, I don't actually know. Lua greater than Rust, what in the world? That's the one thing that annoys me with Go. Yeah, it does. Yes. That's true. One could say that about Into. That is true. Into is a little annoying, but what are you going to do? Box. I did read this. Rust is so dumb, you have to tell it to do everything, like teaching a newborn baby. King 440, you have to abstract, okay? You've got to abstract, all right? You can't just be out here. You can't write Rust like you write Go, okay? I think that's the problem, right? There's the breakdown of communications. If you're writing Go and you try to go and write Rust the same way, it's not going to work out because Go doesn't have the same like level of abstraction that Rust does. You have to build up from the bottom. You have to start from the bottom and then you get here, you know? So you can't just like sit there and like expect to just write a bunch of imperative code and have a good time. You're going to be writing code forever, right? Go already has all this nice stuff built in. That makes JS smart because it does everything for you. Unbelievable. JS is smart. The thing about JavaScript, it's JavaScript. It's like, honestly, like I have so many foot guns. With Go, you know what you're doing. With Rust, you're like, what is happening all the time? No, nah, it's all right. We know what's happening. Started from the bottom, now we here. Exactly. Compiling code forever. Imagine thinking Go is a type-safe language. Yeah, interface. Like, when I first saw interface, I was like, well, that's it then. That's all. We're done with types. All right, so let me see. So this is actually looking good, but I don't know why it doesn't like this, right? Can I find value ABC in the scope? Not found in the scope. Get is not found in the scope. Can't compare status code with, oh, future. Uh-oh. What did I do? Oh, do I have a problem in my test? Oh my gosh, I do. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It'd be nice if I actually made the request. All right, let's try this. Okay, so now we have less errors. So get not found in the scope, right? It doesn't like this because formatting specifier missing. Oh, formatting specifier missing. Let's look at that one more time. There's a format specifier right there, right? There's a format specifier, but it has escaped string still. I want this to be a oh, I think it's just for debug though. I said this already. There's definitely a format specifier though. That is 100% a format specifier. For this for a second. Let's actually debug the not string. Let's look at the raw tokens. Okay, we're gonna drop down the raw tokens again. Let's look. Okay, so it's a stir. It's a literal. It's a string literal, and it has this. I don't really know what else I can do here. You know, like I'm not actually sure what else I can do. I wonder if I just did. What if I just did format is a stringlet ABC, right? XYZ. It's weird because I'm making a. What did I do for this one? Do I turn it into an ident? I do turn it into an ident. That's interesting. I didn't know that I did. Why did I do this? I turned the unnamed fields into idents. Oh no, that's. What's the format string though? Oh, the format's just a string. Yeah, I didn't do anything special. Honestly, did nothing special. I don't understand why this isn't working, but we'll figure it out. So if I just did this, right? And then I put format in there. And I debug format. Let's see what it is. It's still the same thing. It says there's an ident XYZ. Still a string literal. Yeah, so that's fine. That is fine. Dude. Yeah, that's all. This is all good. This is a fake error. This is the real error right here. I'm just blown away. Ident is XYZ, and there's a comma, and there's like a format ident. Yeah. I mean this. Honestly, it looks right. Like, this looks totally right. 2-string. Yeah, I mean, this is format. What is wrong with this? Like, I can't even reproduce this. What if I just stick XYZ in the format specifier? What if instead of doing a format, what if I just actually stuck it in there, right? So I do this, and then I just actually do, I actually do ident.
Hello,
right?
Peter.
Maybe it's that,
happening?
right? Formatting interesting. Welcome. Denting up my code. What in the world? What in the world is happening? Who was that? Sergio Quijano. Welcome. Rusty and dented like a jalopy. Nightshade, dude. What in the world? We'll see you later, Nightshade. Good riddance. Okay, good riddance. Let's see. I don't maybe my coworker or a dependency does. But what's happening? Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yeah. Still creates the inherent ability for abuse and unsoundness. DM Mulroy has it. He has it. That's true. I am a simple man. I see NeoVim, Rust, Htmx. I am in. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. Look, Sergio, first time chatter, first time follower. I'm sorry. Okay? I don't mean to disappoint you, but the truth is, this is a NeoVim. But all the rest is true. Rust, HTMX, we got proc macros we're writing. But the real issue is that it's not NeoVim. Heikiter has it. It's Helix, you know? It's Helix. You know what I mean? That's just the truth. I'm sorry. Okay? Bad Lou of Rust goes burp. It's true. Yeah, I do love my wife. All right, so let me see so if you could just get past that, like we'll be friends though, you know, we'll be friends, no problem. If it's just not NeoVim. Oh wow, this can be removed. Oh my gosh, redundant argument. So this is clearly I've done something wrong with the formatting here. I wonder I'm definitely let's do this. Let's just do what Damus said from YouTube. Let's just do what he said, right? Let's try this. Okay, so let's just try this, and then we'll do no ident here, and then we'll escape this way. Maybe it'll be better. Nope, it's not any better, right? Not any better. It's about the same. But it looks like it's okay, right? I might have to, 2 positional arguments. What if I add another one? Okay, so now it looks for a positional argument. So this string is equivalent, right, to this one, apparently. XYZ, there it is. I'm like so blown away that this doesn't work. Formatting specifier missing. There's only one argument though, right? There's only one argument. I mean, I guess like if I can't do this, do you drink? I drink caffeine. Missing those dots? I doubt it. I doubt I'm missing dots. Let's think this through. What can I do besides this? What can I do? I can... If I can't use a formatter, right? Oh, mate. Like mate, like yerba mate. Heikiter, I tried yerba mate. I was so high on caffeine. Like, luckily I wasn't on stream because I wouldn't even be able to concentrate. But yeah, mate is like insane. There's just so much. It's packed with so much caffeine. I just can't handle it. Like, I just drink matcha, you know? Most days. Sometimes I have coffee, but yeah. Usually the coffee streams are not good. Like, I'm barely doing anything. Okay, so this is not gonna work, right? Which is weird because it works in unnamed fields. So I'm actually... Wait. I'm actually just returning the string. Oh no, that's fine. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. But I guess what I could do is I'm just returning the specifiers, right? Oh, that's what I'm doing here. I guess what I could do is no, I'm doing the right thing. Let me look at this one more time. Oh my gosh. This is totally a valid query string though. Or totally a valid format string. Let's consult the oracles. Okay, let's consult the oracles. Rust format string escape braces, right? Rust 1.0 is another. The literal characters may be included in a string. Okay. So I am doing the right thing. Lormis.
Hello, Peter.
Welcome.
What's happening?
So maybe I do this. So like if I surrounded this, then I could do this, right? And if you intended, you can... Yeah. See, that's not the way either. I wonder if I could just do... I wonder if I can... So the goal is to make this, right? With the XYZ and stuff. But I wonder if I could just bring this together later. Like instead of building parts like this... Actually, wait a minute. Do I need to make this? No, I'm just building a string. Do I need to make this an ident? No. It's the kids who are wrong. It's the kids who are wrong. Shoot, man. I mean, because even if I did this, it's still like bugging me. ABC, XYZ. It still doesn't like that, right? Yeah, it still doesn't like it. So that's why I have to... It's not even my string that I built. It's like something I'm doing here at runtime, right? What if I just did... Wait. Oh no, that's fine. I thought I did something so stupid. This. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. What if I did this? XYZ. Oh man, this music. We're gonna skip this. I don't know if they're gonna like start. Alright. What the heck is ident? King 440, this is a proc macro. Something in Go you do not have. Okay, King 440? We're deep in the bowels of Rust. Okay? We're generating Rust code right now. That's what we're doing. This is not normal application level Rust code, King 440. Alright. Let's see. Who let this Go programmer in here? Who let this Go programmer in here? Seriously, like what's happening? Let me see. So XYZ. I can't believe that doesn't work. My mind is blown right now. Argument never used. Not found in the scope. What in the world? I am so like confused by what's happening. Cannot find value ABC in the scope. What? What? What have I done? But you can find XYZ.
Hello, Peter.
Right?
What's happening?
Peter Simonson, what's up? Welcome. Yeah, formatting specifier missing every single time. What did I do before? Like what? You did. Oh my gosh, I only have 20 minutes to solve this problem. Okay, so I made the format part separately because it doesn't need names, right? I didn't actually need names. Oh, you know what? The problem is that Axum doesn't even like this to begin with, right? Oh no, this is fine, actually. This is fine. Oh no, because I'm using... Oh, what's this? Wait, what's this? Is this still an unnamed? Wait, where am I here? What is this? Route to path. Oh, I didn't change the other part of it. It's not even this. This is working. Oh my gosh. I didn't change the rest of it. Dude. I'm glad Nightshade left. I don't want to say it. Okay, I don't want to say it was a skill issue. Yeah. Okay, this is it.
Peter. What's
So
happening?
this is only in one section, route to string, right? But now I need to change route to path, right? That's the problem. It's because I have two things. I have two. So if I go down, I'll explain this to you, right? So if I come in here, skill issue, Kolka said it. Rust give you skill issue. Rust solves all your skill issues. Okay, wait, who was it? Who was that? Simon Jr. Welcome. No, I'm not going to compile Rust with this, okay? All right, so look at this. If I impl this, right, and I have URL, so that's what I'm doing to get the URL out, the string, route to string, but I also have route to path, right? And this is what I give to Axum. So if you see here, route to path, it calls path, right? I have the actual path, and then so here this is what I use. If I go to Axum, actually, what am I doing here? Delta.url. Do I even need path? Do I even need this anymore? Because I'm actually just using the path. Shoot. I don't even need this. This isn't even used anymore. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. We can just delete that whole thing. Nice. Here it goes. Bye-bye. Sweet. Yeah, this is way better. Perfect. Will it build? Okay, can I find value ABC in the scope? Not found in the scope. What if I... Oh, right. ABC's not found. That's fine. So I need to actually do this. Async fn ABC, right? Impl into response. We'll just do this. Boop. We'll come down here, ABC. We'll come down, back up to this. And we'll just delete that. There we go. Okay, so now it should be okay. But it's still not compiling. Why? Wait, the test just passed. What? Proc macro not expanded. No proc macros present for this crate. What in the world? What? What if I don't do unused? Oh. Wait, this is working though, right? This is working. Cargo build. What? Why is it still complaining? We have to restart the LSP. We broke the LSP. All right, sweet. Oh, that was it the whole time. It was that random code I never deleted. Dude, this is sick. I love this. I'm so excited. Yes. Yeah. Simao. Is that how you say it? He comes from Ruby. Rust took away most of his skill issues. It's true. Rust took away all my skill issues. Master ZZ. What is HTMX? Welcome. First time chatter, Master Z. Welcome to the stream. Nothing's better than Rust. Rust LSP isn't even safe. It's true. All right, so now that I've solved this issue, which wasn't really an issue, it was just a skill issue. Masters.
Hello, Peter.
HTMX is, we're gonna fix this later, right? This is my next project. We're gonna fix this, like this little expanding thing, and then what happens if you do like whatever redirect, right? It takes you to a Google search with site htmx.org. It's quick and dirty, you know, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna keep you on HTMX. I haven't been listening. All right, so this is HTMX, right? It's a way to decorate your HTML attributes with other things. So like normally in HTML, you have to wrap this button in a form and do some whatever, right? To get some stuff to happen on the server. But in HTMX, you just decorate it with hx post get whatever. And you can also determine where the response comes back, right? You could say hx target, right? Or hx swap, right? And then the bit of JavaScript will give you this kind of stuff. So now you can just have buttons do AJAX requests effectively, and server sent events and WebSockets or whatever, right? Okay, so this is the moment of truth though, right? That's HTMX. This is the moment of truth, right? That's sick, heck yeah. Backend dev, look, you haven't even seen the best part, Master ZZ. Everyone in this chat has seen the best part, but you haven't even seen it, okay? You haven't even seen it yet, all right? The best part is this, right? HTMX is probably, it's more, you can use it across languages, right? HTMX is swag. Check this out, Master ZZ, all right? Check this out. Are you ready for this? You're not even ready for this, okay? You're not even ready for this. Let me just explain this to you. Wait. Let me just reload. Actually, let me just, what did I do here? Wait, let me close this. Okay. If this compiles, I will show you. I will show you this. This is looking good still, right? Okay, so what? We don't need tests anymore, right? Okay. All right, so we'll come here, right? Good. All right, we're compiling. Yes. Okay, sweet. All right, so if I come here, right, I go over to my thing. This is the best part of this whole project. Okay, this is how this project started. It was an experiment, right? And I kind of kept, that's why it's so ugly, because I didn't start from the top down. I started from the bottom up, right? But so if I come over here and I go to like add set, right? And I give it name pushups, right? So if I'm looking at this, so let's look at the network console real quick, right? What just happened? Okay. You can see this, there's a service worker, right? If I go over to the application, application, there's a service worker called SWJS, right? And this service worker is unfortunately written in JavaScript, right? But the thing about it is that it has a few functions, right? So this is the main function, and it intercepts fetch requests, right? It intersects AJAX requests. And then if the path starts with front end, what happens is, and the WebAssembly is good to go. So what happens is two things happen. The service worker starts up, and the service worker the JavaScript loads WebAssembly in the background. So two things happen. I ship WebAssembly that was written in Rust to as a file, right? The next thing is that I have a service worker too. And the service worker does this. It intercepts requests to front end. And then what happens? It comes over here, right? I have a representation of the WebAssembly in JavaScript, right? And then I take the request and I make it JSON, right? And so I have the method, the URL, the headers, body, whatever, right? And then I send it over. I send it over to the WebAssembly, right? So I get all the bytes and everything, right? And I send it over to the WebAssembly. I can't take credit for this. This is not my code. This is I I've changed a little bit, but this is Richard Anaya's code, right? But so this is really cool. So what this effectively lets you do, right, is you can have Htmx running on the front end. Okay, expertly stolen. That's true. You can have Htmx. Oh, I'm running out of matcha. Okay, so Master's easy. You can have Htmx running on the front end. So I'll show you this right now in the network tab. I click this button, right? Well, first of all, it breaks. But if I click this button and it works, do you see this? This push right here, right? So let's come over here. Let's look at the latency, right? And you would normally say like, oh, this is just because you're localhost, right? But no, if you look at the, how can I expand all of these things? Here we go. Hold on. There, right here. So this right here, the transfer was service worker, right? There's no bytes transferred over the network, right? So every time I push a button, which is just more HTMX, and it's also broken, every time I push a button, the service worker kicks in, right? And so this is HTMX on the front end, and I'll show you what that code looks like. So if I go over here to the front end mod, right? I come over here. Look, this is Rust code running in WebAssembly in the browser, right? You can only laugh at this madness. Patatas del Papa. You can't laugh at this. This is amazing. But yeah, HTMX is attributes that you put on your HTML to make it better. Pushing buttons. Got a service worker for that. It's true. Bro just made a Tari app, browser only. Yeah, it is fire. That is correct. Yeah, it is Tari. Yeah, it's basically Tari, but yeah, only in the browser. So, and you can control like what you do. So here's the push function, right? So when I push the button, I have a mutex shared global state, baby. And I just unlock it, right? And then I call this push digit thing. And since it's Rust and it's not JavaScript, I can use the U16 and check for overflow, right? So then when I go to add the numbers, I can't overflow, right? And so then I call this push digit thing, and then I re-render this HTML. And this HTML is also Rust, right? So here's HTML proc macro, right? And then here's an input, right? And if I go over to the HTML, and I go to this OK button, right? And I come down here, I do this thing. What am I doing? How do I scroll this down? Here we go. Come over here. Here's the input, right? So every time I change this, HTMX changes. Oh my gosh, can I actually have this work? There, HTMX actually changes this, right? This input, it changes the input, the hidden input, and it changes the display too, right? So where's the display? It's up here somewhere. This stupid. There it is. So here. So this is changing with an out-of-band swap, and it's changing this value too, right? And this all happens on the client, right? And it seems like madness until you think like, can't using this whole front end, can't you just reload your entire source by sending a new compile? Yeah, but the point is I don't want to send a new, I don't want to talk to the server. I only want to do this on the client, right? Why not skip the service worker and just run TypeScript on the page without the transport? I don't even have to write Rust no more. No good, Nick. No good, Nick. The thing that this buys you versus something like jQuery or like React is, first of all, you get to write it all in Rust, right? The second thing is that it's the same model on the server and the client, right? And you don't have to buy into React server components. So you can just do HX swap right here. Do you see all this HTMX stuff? And then here I have a target, right? And then when I do the push thing, all I do is I just return this display value, right? With the new target. That's it. That's all I do, right? So if I show you, each button has, so the display value is the target, right? Target display, right? It's an ID. It's this, right? Target, right? So if I come over here and I show you the HTML for these buttons, there's a hidden input and a form, right? Which I don't have to have that. I can use HX vals, but look at this. I got to zoom in real big on this one, right? HX post front end push, HX swap outer HTML, HX target display ID, right? So this is all like server rendered. So if I go to add set, right? Is this it? Yeah. If I go down here, right, and you can see each button, right? So here's the button I was just showing you, right? The circle button, right? So this is all shared. The types are shared between front end and back end, right? And it's the same model. So the server rendered stuff, this function is server rendered, right? So all this HTML comes in first, and then I don't have to hook up event handlers or anything, right? I don't have to think about clicks or all this stuff. I'm one level up, right? So I'm still at like a higher level of abstraction, just like React server components and just like all this other nonsense. The only other thing that could compete with this, if you have servers close to your users, is live view, I would say, right? But yeah, the goal is to write in whatever language you want to write, right? And not be like confined to TypeScript or JavaScript, right? And not have to buy into NPM and all this other stuff, right? So like I'm using Rust to make a point, but the fact that you can write this in Rust is amazing, right? Does WASM support async? Async what? Async functions? You need yeah, you can. You need an async runtime. So you wouldn't use Tokyo. You can use Tokyo in WebAssembly, I think, but you'd probably use SMOL, small. I love how you made WASM 0 latency, super fast, light, and McQueen fast.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
This HTMX seems really nice. I like how it shortens to just post request. Yes. Yes, exactly. Yes, this is the key, right? This is the key. HTMX just is shipping things to functions that you control, and you don't have to buy into React's render tree or all this other like use effect and all this other stuff. You don't have to like force yourself. You don't have to change yourself to meet the framework. The framework, it's not really a framework, I guess. They call it a library, but you can do what you want, right? Because in the end, when you click a button, you want to run some code, right? That's all you want to do. My TRPC friend says that his types are shared too. No, I don't think so. I mean, yeah, they are, but you know, what types? That's what I have to say. No good, Nick. What types in TypeScript? The Rust community is the best for learning how to troll. Where can I learn more? htmx.org. Just use Django. Django Tailwind easy. It's true. Chase Iraq, welcome. First time chatter, Koopa. There's also some kind of Rust feature to JS promise conversion, so you can run a Rust feature as a JS promise on the client. Did not know that, Koopa. We are learning so much today. Oh my gosh, I gotta go in 4 minutes. We gotta find someone to raid. Real talk though, I've been playing with the idea of Django HTMX. No, Django is good. Like Colchis, it's good. Yeah, like this, most of the WebAssembly stuff is kind of overkill. Like, I'm doing it to prove a point that because like on every button press, I don't want to talk to the server, right? That's what this whole thing started. I was like, I want to make this UI like a calculator, and I don't want to bring up the keyboard for iOS. I just want to be able to control the UI myself. And so like, how would you make a calculator all with HTMX with Rust on the front end, not talking to a server? This could technically be, if this was the only part of this app, it could technically be static files that you just serve, right? And there's like hardly any, you can serve it for free on GitHub pages, right? Technically, if this was the only part of the app. But there is like a database and stuff that I wanted to like do, but yeah. When am I going to do this on Atari level? I don't know. Is that possible? Is it a QBasic stream? Yes. Now we just need CS has to become Rustified too. It's true. Oh shoot, I got 2 minutes. Go to. It's true though. Look, that's the beauty. All right. But yeah, this is my last stream for this week. You have to host a call in 2 minutes. Ooh. All right, let's find someone to raid. Find someone to stream. Who's on? Meta is on. How do I see? Oh, there we go. Algo Bro. Oh, should we do Algo Bro? We'll do Algo Bro. I never
Hello,
raid
Peter.
Algo Bro, and I should.
What's happening?
Let's do Algo Bro. Dax Dev, welcome. What am I doing? What's CSS but Htmx silent would be crazy, not gonna lie. Yeah, but like, I don't know. I mean, it's just Tailwind, right? Wait, what's oof? What is that? Okay, I gotta go. It was fun. Yeah, my last stream for this week, and then I'm out until Thursday next week, possibly Wednesday. I don't actually know. Maybe I'll just take the rest of the week off, but I don't know. I'll be back next week. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone if you celebrate Thanksgiving. If you don't, yo, I'm the Rust guy. It's NBA. It's true. UI UX dev would. What? What does that mean? Master ZZ, we already do that. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. It's NBA. I'm leaving. I'm sorry, first time chatter, but welcome. Yeah, so be back next week. Yeah, that's it. Let's raid. Oh, I should bring up Algobro's thing. What am I doing? There we go. Yeah, let me guess. I have an ad. Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good, actually. Let me turn this music off. Hold on. Is it going to raid without me? Oh, it's still going. I'm that guy. Checking coffee. Hey, bye. You're the guy who says Rust greater than Go? Cool, bye. All right, bye.